How to make an origami Santa and Elf. To make the Santa, grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to meet the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Now cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold it over and crease it down. Open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the paper in half. Open up and fold the other side. Fold the bottom edge up to the center fold. Now do the same to the side next to it. Make sure it's the side that has the diagonal line at the bottom. Your paper should now look like this. Turn the paper over and fold the bottom point up to the center point. Fold the bottom point up to this one. Now fold the bottom point up to this line. Then fold the bottom edge up to the same line and then fold it over again. Turn the paper over and fold the two sides in. This will create the hat. Turn the paper over and fold the bottom point up to the top. Now fold the same piece down around 1 centimeter from the bottom of the hat. Fold it back down with the top edge slightly above the fold behind it. This is going to be the beard. Now turn the paper over and fold the corners up to the top. Fold the top edges into the center. Now fold the bottom point up by around 1.5 centimeters. To make the elf, Repeat all of the steps up until the beard part. As this elf won't have a beard, fold the paper down lower this time so that you have a bigger face area. Then fold it like this. Now carry on with the remaining steps. Now grab some colouring pens or pencils and bring them to life. Another great idea, if you have red or green wrapping paper, you can use this for the clothing and the hat colour. Start off with the coloured side at the bottom.
So, what jokes are we putting in the Christmas crackers this year?
What about this one? Which one of Santa's reindeers are dinosaurs most scared of? Comet!
Oh, we can't use that one.
Why not? It's terrible.
Because a lot of children like dinosaurs, Timmy.
Yeah, a lot of kids like dinosaurs, Timmy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.